The fireflies in Firefly Valley were a dazzling sight. Every night, they light up the meadow with their twinkling flashes, swirling in mesmerizing patterns. But Flick, the tiniest firefly, felt left out. His light was a mere flicker compared to the others' brilliant glow. He longed to join their dances, but his dimness held him back. One evening, while the others were busy creating their dazzling light show, Flick decided to explore beyond the familiar meadow. He followed a babbling brook, his tiny light barely illuminating the path ahead. Soon, he found himself at the edge of a dark, spooky forest. Shadows stretched like lurking monsters, making Flick shiver. Suddenly, a pair of enormous glowing eyes appeared in the darkness. A booming voice startled Flick. "Who dares disturb my slumber?" It boomed. Hesitantly, Flick explained his situation. "My light isn't bright enough to dance with the others," he confessed sadly. The giant beetle, who introduced himself as Bartholomew, chuckled. "A little light can still be very useful, he said. He then showed Flick a cluster of glowing mushrooms that cast a soft green light. Flick's eyes widened in wonder. "They're beautiful," he exclaimed. Bartholomew smiled. "Indeed, they light my way at night. Perhaps your light can do the same for others." An idea sparked in Flick's tiny head. He flew back towards the meadow, leaving a trail of green light to guide him. When he reached the meadow, the other fireflies were surprised. "What's this?" one firefly asked, captivated by the beautiful green trail. Flick, who now had a healthy green glow of his own, had found his own way to contribute. He led the other fireflies along the path, sharing the wonders of the forest at night. The other fireflies realized that even the smallest light could be important. Flick, the little firefly who once felt left out, discovered that being different wasn't a bad thing at all. It allowed him to shine in his own special way, lighting up the night with a unique green glow.